What's going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife in, and it is by Spartan Blades. There you go. Let's see. There it is. This is the Spartan Blades in Ronin Shoto Black G10. It is the new Karambit that they have just released by Ronin Tactics. Tulam, Tulam is how I think you pronounce that. That's the guy over there at Ronin Tactics. Worked with Spartan Blades to create this Tanto Karambit. So let's get to it. Okay, it's a hefty knife for sure. Oh yeah. Not too sure how I feel about the red on there. It's going to be obviously hanging out of your pocket, and it's going to be pretty kind of loud, publicly loud, but other than that, yeah, it's got some super thick liners, and you got CTS XHP blade steel, and there's the Spartan Blades and the Ronin Tactics logos. And there you go. And there's your Tanto blade. Nice edge on it. That's a nice stiff pocket clip. Looks like it's got a nice ramp on it. Feels good in the hands. You know, it's a girthy knife, which is actually really nice because that fills your hand up and you can get a really good grip on it. So you can actually even hold it like this if you wanted to. Feels good. Still feels good in the hand. I guess you could tuck a pinky in there if you wanted to have a more secure grip. You got some nice jimping up here, so that obviously helps you hold on to the knife while working it, whatever you're trying to do. Like I said, we got some pretty good hefty liner lock there. It's totally secure. Yeah, that's not bad. It'd almost be cool if they actually had some thumb studs, but you can, like I just did there, you actually can roll it, grab that. Yeah, you can actually roll it open with the wave, which is obviously what helps catch on your pants when you're pulling it out of your pocket. Pull it out of your pocket, that catches your pants, and that deploys the blade. But you can actually kind of roll it out. It's a little tricky, but you can actually kind of roll it out with your hands. It's pretty smooth. I'm sure it'll break in pretty good too. So yeah. So there you go. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Got a nice, pretty early lockup on there. It's kind of hard to check the alignment there, but looks like it might be off just a tad, but it's not rubbing on anything. There's nothing to rub on. It's got a pretty good distance from the blade and the handle. So, yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, actually, it really does feel good in the hands, even using it like that. That's how you would hold a karambit normally, and it feels good. That, like I said, that girth really fills your hand nicely, and that G10 is nice. It's not too overly aggressive, but you can surely feel it. You're not going to be too slippery on it at all. So, yeah, well, we'll get to testing it out and carrying it and see how the wave works. It's a pretty nice wave, not too sharp. Looks like it's going to catch good on your pants. Like I said, it'll break in. It deploys pretty good. D10's good. Yeah, it's got a pretty good detent. Spartan Blades is, some of their knives have kind of had, I've noticed in the past, have kind of had weak detents on some of their button locks. So, but this one here, yeah, it's pretty good. There's no real detent lash or anything like that. And your detent up here is right there. So you got to get past that to close. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. And there you guys go. That is the Shoto by Spartan Blades and Ronin Tactics. Have a good day, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.